Guys, I have a question. Why are we here on Saturday?
Mom said it's urgent meeting now.
Me, she's not even here, God.
Wait! There's another table. It has all our names. One of you knows the truth. Before the day ends, someone must confess, or all of you will face the consequences. Unknown?
Confess to what? That's not specific at all.
Uy, ka-creepy, pero taginatanaw.
It's locked!
Confess. You know what you did. Someone here was lying.
So, what about the research job?
Gani, wala pa na-solve by?
Maybe that's the truth.
Or maybe we're just guessing. Then, who on earth knows something? The time we heard it confess, hindi ba din tagmali? We're creating a crime without proof. Everyone, wait. If someone knows something, iingon na daw. I didn't just suspect the drunk.
Then what?
I saw screenshots. A chat about replacing me. Replacing you? Ana nila, I was slowing down the project. Who on earth sent it? It doesn't matter. It does. I felt betrayed. I thought someone here was planning behind my back. So, your message wasn't confusion? It was fear?
So instead nga mangutanap ka, you accused. That fear spread to all of us.
You try to scare one person, pero gihadlok ni mong tanaw.
I didn't want to be replaced.
So, there was never a crime?
Just here.
Most conflicts don't start big, they start unclear. And sometimes they start from insecurity. Fear spreads faster than truth. I should have asked. Instead, I chose to scare someone.